what can I do if I feel like I'm being treated unfairly because of my ethnicity?
Um, of course, that is something that you can raise. Whether or not it's going to be like a legal defense is one thing in terms of the actual outcome of the process. What I would suggest is, getting legal advice if you can afford it, if it's available, and having someone who can tailor points for you to the court on that basis. The other option as well is that you can issue complaints. I mean, whether who that would be to and for what reason, obviously it's always going to be like a very individualistic scenario. But if you feel that you've been treated unfairly for those reasons, then it is worth raising with someone, whether that is ideally a legal representative, or if you're representing yourself, you could raise it with the court, and explain, why it is you feel that you've been unfairly treated in that scenario. But yeah, if you can get legal representation, to make sure someone can phrase it in the way that's going to be best to you.
The other thing to bear in mind is that public services have a duty to comply with the Equality Act 2010. So it would be a separate process. But if you did have concerns about that, you might want to get some advice from a discrimination expert, discrimination law expert, I should say, who will be able to assist you perhaps with bringing a claim under the goods and services provision of the Equality Act.
Yeah, absolutely. And what I will say is, for any community members that are here today or are watching these clips at a later date, you can always contact us at the Traveller Movement. So I take on a lot of our discrimination casework. My contact details are all over our website, so you can always get in touch with us if you have any concerns around being discriminated against, and we can support you in that.